The use of ground rods at lighting pole bases is often driven by local building codes and industry standards. A continuous ground running from the panel to the lighting fixtures establishes a fault current pathway. However, it might not cover all grounding requirements at the base of the pole. There are several reasons to use ground rods at pole bases. Firstly, lightning protection is enhanced. Lighting poles are often vulnerable to lightning strikes, potentially causing high voltage surges. Ground rods offer a low impedance pathway, channeling lightning current safely into the earth and protecting equipment and personnel. Secondly, static dissipation is improved. Poles can accumulate static electricity, notably in dry or windy environments. Ground rods facilitate the safe discharge of static charges into the ground, thereby preventing the development of potentially dangerous voltages. Thirdly, electrical continuity is ensured. Ground rods ensure a consistent electrical connection between the pole base and the ground. This becomes essential for maintaining a stable ground reference, preventing voltage fluctuations. Fourthly, code compliance may require it. Numerous local building codes mandate the installation of ground rods for all electrical installations, including lighting poles. The National Electrical Code, referred to as NEC, does not specifically mandate ground rods for lighting pole support structures. However, NEC Article 250.50 A3 requires that the grounding system for a building or structure connect to any installed lightning protection system. This implies that ground rods are required at lighting poles included as part of a lightning protection system. If ground rods are installed at each pole base, it is advisable to bond the rebar within the pole base to both the ground rod and the grounding system. This measure ensures that the rebar remains grounded, shielded from lightning and electrical surges.